Alright, what is going on, guys? I'm going to show you in this video how to create a program that will do sales tax for you. So first off, I would go ahead and hit save as, name it SalesTax.java, which I had one, but I messed up on the video, so there. Well, I didn't even start the video, but alright, so now import Java. This is the scanner that we've been working on in many of my videos, previous videos, if you watch them. So nothing new for the first few lines. Same with public class, but this time you're going to want to name it something along the lines of sales tax. And then the public static void. This is in almost all programs like this, and probably pretty much all the programs I'll be doing. So basically, if you guys are following along with my tutorials, you can just use the same document as before and just rename the class. You don't typically have to redo the whole thing. It is a good practice though, and sometimes I'll be working with different imports. Alright, so once you have this all set up in the scanner input set up, which I have to get mine all typed in there. Alright, so now you can just, and now we're gonna add the system.out system out print. So this will allow the user to, it will show text telling the user what to print on the line. So in the quotation marks, we're gonna want to put something to do with enter purchase amount. It really does not matter what it says in here, as long as they know what to put in there. Right now we're going to create a double. Now Java is case sensitive, so if you have lowercase p for purchase and capital A for amount, it's got to be like that throughout the whole program, or you will get errors. Now next, and typos are very common. Oops, like right there, I didn't hit shift. So there we go. Now if yours looks like that, you can continue on making another double. This double right here will take the last double and put it into the equation. So right here it will take this double and add it purchase amount. It will times it by the sales tax. So whatever the user typed, it will times it right here, times 0.06, or depending on what state you live in. I'm not sure of any other state besides Michigan. 0.06, so it's 6 cents to every dollar is how much tax is. Alright, so system.out.println. So this will print out the answer on the line for the user to see. Now here, I normally say space out for the quotation mark so it doesn't look all cluttered and not spaced. But here you're not going to want to do that because it's going to put the answer right here. So if it's like 10 bucks, it's going to say 10 bucks like that. It's not going to be like $10 like this. You're going to want it up against it. So now you're going to want to add in the math equation. So tax times 100. It's going to do what's in the parentheses first, divide by 100.0. So now yours should look like this. Let me look over it for any errors. I'm not seeing them, but that's the good thing about the compiler. It will tell you when there's an error. So now you're going to want to backspace it, put the closing bracket in, then hit enter and backspace again and add another one. And you can go ahead and save it. So I already have the compiler and runner made up for this. So if you don't have one, here's how you make it. You can just pause the video real quick, make a basic compiler, at echo off javac SalesTax.java, and pause. So there is an error, and alright, so let me see what it is. Okay, yep, I missed an S. See, there is very easy to make a typo, and it has to be the same as the name of the file. So we'll run it again, and it's good. If it says press any key to continue, it means it worked. Oops, I just moved my recorder. So here's the file, SalesTax.class. Now here in your runner, if you can pause it if you don't know how to make one. It's just echo off Java sales tax pause. Now for the compiler you don't have to put pause, but for the runner you do. Alright, enter amount. We'll just say it was $100, and so it's $6 for tax. Now this does look kind of bad if you run it. Right there next amount, it doesn't look good, so it doesn't look really professional. So what I would do is go here and add in colon, save that. And now if you run it again, it's not going to be edited or anything. You can delete this whole program and it's not going to do anything. You have to first compile it. It says press any key to continue, and then it works. So now it looks good. So something costs you $10,000, it's going to be a $600 tax, which that's a lot. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch my previous videos. I have like over 40 more programs to show you guys. I've been skipping some lately though, but I have a whole bunch more even after that I want to show you guys. I just haven't gone through and looked yet. So thanks for watching, and subscribe.